welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create a unit using hot glue gun without having to cut your wefts. So before we get right into the video, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my next video has been uploaded. So let's go. So the things that you will need to create this unit, you will need a hot glue gun. I purchased this from Walmart. It was about less than $10. Some glue sticks. This was a pack of 30. And you will also need your wig cap. You can either use mesh or spandex. Doesn't matter. It's your preference. In this video, I will be doing a voiceover. So I hope you enjoy. Start by gluing the first weft above the elastic band to ensure that the unit stretches after you're done. I did go ahead and protect my canvas wig head, which I will leave a link to the video in the description box. This will ensure that your canvas or mannequin head doesn't get destroyed in the process. I will be back when it is time to flip it over. So it's time to flip over your weft. So what you're going to do is place the hot glue as close as to the first weft as possible. Then lay your weft on top of the glue, holding it for 15 seconds. You're going to repeat this process until you have a medium-sized U shape. So after you flip it over, go ahead and lay the rest of the weft down. Then go ahead and flip it over again and keep going back and forth until you have a medium-sized U shape. Now this hot glue gun method really didn't take as long as it would have taken if I was to sew it down. I guarantee you it took me about an hour, which is half the time it will take when I sew down my units. This does not destroy your wefts at all. It actually does seal them up a bit. Also, when you're doing the hot glue gun method, you would pretty much do the same thing when it comes to those seams that you see parallel to one another. Don't put any glue on those seams because you want your unit to stretch when it's time to put on your unit. I will be back when it is time to start closing up the unit. So again, flipping it over, put glue right on top of the last weft you just glued down. Place your weft on top, hold it for 15 seconds, and then keep gluing down. So you should have something like this, and now we're going to glue down our wefts going across. We're not going to follow the U shape anymore, but we'll still fold over our wefts. So it's time to place down the last few wefts. When you come to the last weft, make sure you get as close to the frontal as possible without getting any glue on it. After you've placed on that last weft, your unit has been completed. So go ahead and feel free to install it out however you like. We've come to the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye. Give it one
more chance. Worry and honey, give it one more chance.
When you open that bag, this is the box you will be presented with.